Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see about internship opportunity. So it has been offered by GEDY India. So GEDY is a youth-led organization which formed by the alumni of RGNYD, Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Youth Development. So here comes this video. It's a rural internship program. So here you can see that 4 weeks of life-changing experience. So it has been starting from June 8th, 2020. So those who are willing to join, they can watch this video fully. Like you can see that the location of this internship, it is going to be fully in Madhubani district of Bihar. So here you can see that the Madhubani is the place which is one of the second city adopted the democracy as its way. So, and you can see that there are similar problems also there similarly, migration, poverty, as well as it has been affected with the frequent floods. So the interns may get an opportunity to interact with all the people directly, and you can see that it is very near to Nepal. So if you wish to visit Nepal also, it is a good opportunity to you. You can join this internship program. So grassroots empowerment and development by youth. So this organization is having a separate website. It is gedy.org. So there you have to apply before 15th of April. So that is the last date. And there is a contact number. You can question regarding your queries. You can call and you can talk. So it is Miss Priya Arasuti. So whose mobile number and mail ID also there. I will give the application link in the description box where you can find everything. So here comes the selection process. So here you have to fill a online application form and there will be a telephonic interview. So after that interaction, then there will be a final decision. Like once you have done with your interaction in the telephonic call, within a week you will get an opportunity whether it is done or not. So you are selected or not, it will be announced. So here comes who can apply. So it is there are most of the students who all are studying social science, humanities, as well as engineering, medical, and then these stuffs. So you should be a student and enrolled somewhere. Like you can see that it is mentioned here, and it can be a 1 month also. Like you can have be there with the full commitment, and you should not interest in or else invest your time in some other stuffs. So you can see that the objectives of the program is to provide youth an opportunity to connect with Gramin Bharat. It is rural India, so you can get a good exposure how the rural Bihar is functioning by looking into Madhubani, and you can see that the to facilitate rural urban exchange of ideas and learning. So, and then to provide youth an opportunity to apply the classroom learnings to a real-time environment. So we may see that many lectures, but what is the reality that we can see there? And then sensitize students towards multi-dimensional issues relevant in rural settings. So that is why here the eligibility criteria also multidisciplines are there. So to help the youth develop leadership qualities with social responsibility. So these all are some objectives of this program. And the cost of program is you can see that it is 5,000 rupees, and money should not be barrier for anyone. We have scholarship up to 100 percentage for deserving candidate. Then if you are in a really need, so you are not having that much money means, then you can raise this query with Miss Priya Rasu who can help you. So you just have to reach base location at your own. After that, everything will be on us. Your food, accommodation, local travel, sightseeing, recreational activities, medical safety, everything will be taken care by us. It should be understood that this internship program is in rural area, so please don't expect luxurious life over here, but we take care for providing simple and hygienic amenities. So if you are getting a chance to be there, then you can be enjoying the place and where it is, and you can do explore the place also, like how the rural India is being there. So If you want to get to know more information, you can talk to Priya or so. And then to get more internship and admission notification, please do subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel. Thank you.